Is NAudio Project reporting the NAudio WinMM Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before the walkthrough for NAudio WinMM Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the NAudio WinMM Library, a specialized module for the NAudio library that handles legacy Windows Multimedia, WinMM.dll, audio API calls. It is used by older Seedtron's audio apps and synthesizer software. If missing, specialized audio tools will report an assembly load failure, preventing the software from detecting MIDI devices or older sound cards. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. A missing NAudio WinMM Library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the NAudio Project integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the NAudio WinMM library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be aware that manual fixes for NAudio WinMM Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to NAudio WinMM Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter NAudio WinMM Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.